Today our speakers, we're not doing bios, so they can give a little self-introduction, but we've got a good lineup, and it's gonna give you a lot of information. So I hope it inspires some questions at all as well. And with that, let's take it away. Rebecca, can you start, please?
Thank you, Connor. Let me grab my screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right, okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rebecca Abbott. I'm an engineering manager for the East County Advanced Water Purification Project. I'm with Padre Municipal Water District, which is a water and sewer and recycled water agency in eastern San Diego County. Padre Dam is also a member agency of this project's Joint Powers Authority and the administrator operator of this project. This presentation is going to be very high level about our project, but if you're interested in learning more, please, as Connor mentioned, use the chat function to enter your questions and answers. I'll also include my email address, so feel free to get in touch with me or our communications team with any technical or other questions. So our project is a potable reuse water project that will create a new local, sustainable, and drought-proof drinking water supply for eastern San Diego County. This project will provide up to 30% of East County's drinking water demand, while also eliminating up to 15 million gallons per day, or MGD, of treated wastewater discharge into the Pacific Ocean and reducing our region's reliance on imported water. San Diego County is at the end of a very long pipeline. Literally, about 11% of our water supply travels more than 600 miles through the California Aqueduct, and about half of our region's water supply travels nearly 300 miles from the Colorado River, which we all know to be a stressed and over-allocated river that has seen diminished supply over the past decade. I don't need to tell anyone on this call that the Western region is in the middle of the worst mega drought in recorded history. We're all painfully aware of that fact. In fact, the State Water Resources Control Board recently adopted emergency drought regulations that affect all water agencies, including Padre Dam, to implement water conservation measures. Now, I do say that somewhat ironically, as I, like many others, did catch a few raindrops outside my window this morning. We get these tropical thunderstorms in the summer in East County, and the thunderheads have been rolling in. But just because we may get a little rain here or there, it doesn't mean that this problem is going away anytime soon or ever. This is expected to be an ongoing challenge for all of California, which means that there's really no better time to implement this project and projects like this that will diversify our region's water supply and reduce our reliance on those other sources. This project, the East County Advanced Water Purification Project, is a collaborative partnership between Padre Dam Municipal Water District, the County of San Diego, the City of El Cajon, Helix Water District, and the City of San Diego. While it's an East County project, all of San Diego will benefit from increased regional water reliability. This project started as a Padre Dam only groundwater injection potable reuse program, actually, in 2012. Padre Dam quickly recognized the value in partnership with the other East County agencies to benefit more than just Padre Dam's service area. This project is bigger than one agency, and a joint powers authority was formed in 2019 through wastewater agreements with East County's wastewater agencies and water purchase agreements with the water agencies. Padre Dam is the operator and the JPA's administrator, and all contracts flow through the JPA. Our project is located mostly in the city of Santee and unincorporated community of Lakeside in San Diego County, but a portion of our project does extend into the city of San Diego's Mission Valley area. We are located roughly along the lower San Diego River in San Diego County. This map shows the East County AWP Partners service areas. Wastewater from Padre Dam, County of San Diego, and City of El Cajon will be treated, purified, and pumped to Lake Jennings, owned by Helix Water District, for surface water augmentation. From there, it will be treated again and distributed as drinking water to customers in these service areas, as well as Otay Water District and Lakeside Water District, not shown on this map. Currently, Santee County and El Cajon areas produce about 15 MGD of wastewater, or million gallons a day, total in eastern San Diego County. Padre Dam collects 2 MGD of that and treats it at our wastewater water recycling facility to be used for Santee Lakes Recreational Preserve and local irrigation. The remaining 13 MGD travels 20 miles to the city of San Diego's Point Loma wastewater treatment plant for treatment and discharge into the Pacific Ocean. This project proposes to end the transport of that 20 miles of the 15 MGD, capture all 15 MGD of the region's wastewater, construct a new plant and treat the 15 MGD, thereby producing 11.5 million gallons per day of purified water, which equates to up to 30% of East County's drinking water supply. So that will be transported to the Lake Jennings Reservoir in Lakeside and mixed with the surface water within that reservoir before it's treated again and distributed as drinking water. A few project elements of the advanced water purification process. It includes UF membrane filtration, reverse osmosis, ultraviolet advanced oxidation process, and free chlorine disinfection, as well as brine minimization. And we have a selected technology for that. A little more zoomed in view of our project location. This project is currently divided into 4 smaller projects or packages in different progressive design build phases currently. Package 1 includes the new up to 16 MGD water recycling facility, 11.5 MGD advanced water purification facility, solids handling facility, product water pump station, and visitor center. Package 2 is a 10-mile long product water pipeline, as well as dechlorination facility just prior to the inlet to Lake Jennings. This project also includes a water feature for public education at that park at Lake Jennings. Package 3 is a retrofit and expansion of Padre Dam's influent pump station, retrofit of the currently City of San Diego owned East Mission Gorge pump station, a force main to convey the 15 MGD up to the new treatment facilities, as well as a residuals bypass pipeline and pump station to convey the byproducts from the treatment process back down to the vicinity of the East Mission Gorge pump station. From there, package 4 conveys those residuals or byproducts along a new proposed 9-mile regional brine pipeline. Package 4 also proposes to rehabilitate an existing currently City of San Diego owned force main that conveys peak wet weather flows from East County to city's facilities. The project is being procured through a progressive design build process. Packages 1 through 4 have been awarded to 2 separate design build teams. Package 1 and 3 were awarded to AECOM WM Wiles, and packages 2 and 4 were awarded to Orion Construction and GHD as a designer. There are a few milestones for the East County Advanced Water Purification Project going back to 2014 when Padre Dam began the feasibility study on the larger reservoir augmentation project with the project partners. This slide really shows only very few of our project milestones throughout the year. We have secured funding, executed agreements, formed a JPA, certified a CEQA document, and most recently broke ground on packages 1, 2, and 3. The program cost up to commercial operations is currently at $950 million. The majority of that is design and construction for the new treatment facility and the other packages. $72 million for financing and reserves, as well as $234 million for materials, equipment, and administration, professional services, contingency. We've had a lot of success in securing, to date, $123 million in grants and other incentives, and nearly $800 million in low-interest loans to finance this project also. Interest rates with WIFIA and SRF are extremely low, 0.9 to 1.3%, which will result in a cost savings to the project of about $160 million over the life of the loan, 30-year life of the loan. And where we are in the process right now, again, I mentioned we just broke ground on packages 1 through 3, which means we are entering phase 2 of those packages. That is the final design and construction phase for those 3 projects. Package 4 is not far behind. This project is expected to be fully online in the first quarter of 2026. And I also wanted to highlight our award-winning community outreach program for this project. We've had a lot of success with web-based communications, public tours and presentations, media relations, project branding, videos, even beer tasting events. And then moving into the construction phase, we do have a strategy and a plan in place to modify our communications outreach program to include website and information online to those who may live or work near a project alignment. And that is the end of my overview for the East County Advanced Water Purification Project. Again, if you'd like more information, feel free to email me or our communications team. Visit us on our website. And with that, I'm going to introduce Shivaji Deshmukh and Liz Hurst with Inland Empire Utilities Agency. Thank you so much.